Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming location services are on and WhatsApp has permission. This is required for live location to work. Next, open the specific one-on-one chat or group where the person shared live location. Once you're in the chat, scan recent messages for the live location message. Look for a map preview and a timer. If it's not obvious, tap the paperclip or plus icon to check location options. This verifies you're in the right place to access the live feed. Once you see the map preview, tap it to open the full-screen live location viewer. This loads a live updating map. You can pinch to zoom and drag to follow the person's movement in real time, which helps you gauge direction and distance. Make sure to tap the user's PIN or label to see their name and any additional details WhatsApp provides, such as how long the live share remains active. This is how you monitor progress and confirm identity. To finish, simply back out of the map. Live location continues until the sender stops it or the timer ends. If you notice the map frozen or not updating, first make sure your internet connection is stable and that WhatsApp still has location permission. Once done, ask the sender to reshare their live location if it expired or failed. This resolves most issues quickly. One key troubleshooting tip. Both parties need working internet and active GPS for continuous, accurate updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.